In many countries, weed has been legalized, that people can smoke it, provided they do not hold huge quantities that may be assumed or presumed to be held for commercial purposes. So I condemn the arrest, the prosecution, and the detention of Robert Mugabe. It was a show, and it was an act to humiliate the Mugabe family. It may be actually surprising that the president smokes weed as well, especially with those unpopular jokes of his. It causes us to wonder if he also takes a little bit of weed or he doesn't.
Ora, 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 ora. Ndabuda mdaini, ndaloka madozi, ndapita machira, ndapeza kuyabota. Nawo zangu zinotanga ndiri pampeta. Tose gumba ndatoita meta. Ora, ora. Zvakatangana maya kandirumira nemhiripiri.
Yo. It's like okay TV, right? This is no favorite channel started from today. Guys, that's in the video. Very, very interesting video. I'll post to Chiwenga was address and yeah, about two anga wabatwa nemagreens nemaherbs, so akabva vasungwa. So pavakapinda mukoti nyaya yatongwa kati ndiregerewo ndiri baba tu ndine vana vekuchengeta kunze uko. So mzani kande mboma, please koma noema Rolls Royce. So guys, Apostle Chiwenga is here to address that issue. Anzi manje adzisungise magreens ukawanikwa une ka small amount kekuti unongonzi is personal consumption, and uye zvanzi mbanje dzine utano because dziri kushandiswa muzvipatara mumakenza imomo. Yo inoona kuti nyaya yakanaka kune vanoda kuti mbanje dzilegalizwe, kune vanofarira hutsi. But as for me hangu kungoufema kawani headache inondirova ipapo. So to me isemfanani nyaya yachona i0+0, because inini hangu mbanje handitodzifarira, hana kana tombobvera ndadziputa kutongodzifema ikoko nemacrossfire avo evakomana kwandiri kutorwara kawani. Revenjero munhu akadziputa ari panze akapinda mumba akatanga kufemera mweya wemurume ndendiri, it's a headache straight away. I don't tolerate. If you're watching this video on Facebook, 10k followers guys, and if you're watching this video on YouTube, 5k subscribers. Tichienda mberi takadaro. Without wasting much time guys, let's watch this video. Timbonzonzi baba tu vari kudefendwa nemutoo upi na Apostle Chiwenga.
I want to comment about how our criminal justice system in Zimbabwe is questionable. Yes, I do not condone the breaking of the law. I am not a criminal myself. I have never been convicted of any crime my entire life.
Yes.
Amen. The only violations that I've made in my life are traffic fines. I was fined for not parking properly, but I had parked properly. There were no clear parking lines.
Okay.
I was claimed because I had not paid for the parking before the traffic officer came, but I parked my car and it was nowhere to be found. I couldn't stop my business looking for cancel parking marshals. All this is nonsense. Make me president. We will not have a parking marshal in any major city. It's not necessary. Go to other countries, there are parking meters.
Yes.
And so as you enter into the parking bay or parking building, you get a parking ticket.
Yes.
When you leave, you pay. If you don't pay, your ticket is registered.
Yes.
And before the year ends, they send you a statement of how much you are owing this city and that city. And you can pay your parking without the unnecessary harassment of citizens.
Yeah.
There is no reason why if you are parking on Monday, you have to pay parking fees on Monday. There is no reason. The governments use budgets from money received the previous year. And the money they received the last month, they use it next month. So there's no need for you to pay your parking ticket nampla right now, konapo. It's not necessary. It's not. There's no need. There's no need for you to pay toll gates immediately as you approach the toll gate. They can debit your account.
Yes.
You can pay at the end of the month.
Yes.
When you are in a government run by despots, they enact laws that are designed to make your life difficult. It's not law enforcement, it's authoritarianism. It is the rule by the iron fist. But what I wanted to say is that I'm not a criminal. I've never been convicted of any crime. And so when I speak, I'm not supporting criminality. But our criminal justice system is questionable. It is weaponized against the targets of those that control the system. There was no need for our government to harass Robert Mugabe Jr. like they did.
Okay.
I've criticized the Mugabe family many times. But I don't criticize people, I criticize actions.
Yes.
I have no personal friend, I have no personal enemy.
No.
I stand for principles and standards.
Yes.
I don't stand for this party or these people. I don't belong to any group. I don't belong to any political party. Hakuna political party ine zita rangu muregister revanhu vakambotenga card remusangano. It is not a mistake. It was a conscious decision.
Amen.
Yes. I can support a candidate, but I don't have to be a member of that party.
Yes.
Because I vote also. It's my right to vote. I want to speak and say the way in which Robert Mugabe Jr. was arrested and prosecuted for possession of a small quantity of weed did not have anything to do with justice and the mitigation of crime. In many countries, weed has been legalized, that people can smoke it, provided they do not hold huge quantities that may be assumed or presumed to be held for commercial purposes.
Okay, guys. Ipapa varutaura chokwadi. Weed yakalegalizwa in some other countries because vakarealiza kuti if you let people smoke weed and itika haina ma side effects akawanda, inoita kuti vanhu vabve kudombo nekukokarina uku anitika. Saka they actually legalized weed kuitira kuti vashifte focus yevanhu kuitira kuti vasanyanye wandira ikoku. So this information is totally valid.
Like in South Africa, weed is legalized. You can smoke weed. They don't want you to smoke it in public places. They don't want you to hold too much quantities that cannot be justified as possession for personal consumption. There is no reason why weed is legalized, is illegal. There is no reason. Hapana chikonzero chekuti kuputa mbanje, kusungise. Hapana.
Okay.
Because our medical system has legalized so many medications that have far more negative effects to people's health than weed.
It's true.
There
That's
is
true.
no scientific evidence that suggests that when people smoke weed, they commit crime. There's no scientific evidence. And also, it is common cause
Okay.
that all people who smoke other cigarettes, a substantial fraction of them smoke weed, including police officers.
Yes.
Okay.
It's only that they arrest those that they want to arrest to do some journalistic purposes, to
Okay.
pretend that they want to enforce this law. In the 21st century, it defeats justice and the principles of human rights, dignity, human dignity, the right to express oneself. That they say weed is illegal. But even if weed was illegal, the way they handled the son of a former head of state is an embarrassment to the nation.
Yes.
Exactly.
No one is above the law. But there was no need to do what they did to him. This was personal. It had nothing to do with justice. Now, if this was done to President Mnangagwa's son after his term, I would still say the same. They wanted to embarrass the Mugabe family. It wasn't necessary. We have serious issues affecting our nation. That is not one of them.
And I ask
Out
address
of respect to the former president and his wife, they shouldn't have done to Robert Jr. like what they did to him. So I sit here to condemn the selective application of the law by the Zimbabwe Republic Police, the National Prosecuting Authority, and the Judicial Services Commission in Zimbabwe. It's shameful. We are reducing our criminal justice system to a comic theater performance.
Yeah.
And we cannot expect the international community to respect it when we use it like that. He's the son of the former president, for crying out loud. They can't arrest such a man for such a flimsy charge. He didn't have quantities that could have been raising alarms. What did he want to do with that weed? As I sit here, I can tell you with all confidence that President Mnangagwa's sons, or one of them, smokes weed up to this very day. He will never be arrested because his father is a president. We all have members who smoke weed in our homes. If we wanted to be honest, we should all be arrested. Hakuna muZimbabwe izvezvi asina hama inoputa mbanje. It's a common secret.
Yeah, and this also.
We know it's happening. Some of us, we have brothers who even farm it.
Yeah.
Smoke some and they sell some. We will never report them to the police. But that's not an issue we should be talking about as a nation. So I condemn the arrest, the prosecution, and the detention of Robert Mugabe. It was a show, and it was an act to humiliate the Mugabe family. There is no shame in those who arrested Robert Mugabe. They are shameless. And what I want to say now is that justice should not be justice when it is done to one of your own. Justice should be justice across the board.
Amen.
They arrested the Chinese with cocaine, which is actually known for being harmful even in smaller quantities.
Oh, yes.
Weed is not harmful if it is consumed in smaller quantities. That's why many countries have legalized it.
Yes.
Marijuana. People who smoke marijuana are as vulnerable as those who are smoking Madison. It's all cigarettes. It's only that this one is some effect to making people more excited, and this is why cancer patients who cannot, whose pain cannot be mitigated by normal painkillers, they are actually encouraged to smoke weed to reduce the pain. You didn't know. Weed is used by cancer patients all over the world. Yes.
maizvizivawo herawo mara kuti chamba
Weed is known for activating the happy hormones in people. So most people who smoke weed, they feel happy. You understand?
Yes.
Nyaya yembanje yanga isingafaniri kuti mwana wapresident avharirwe. Zvinonyadzisa izvozvo. Pane zvinhu zvakawanda zvatinogona kuita senyika kana tichida kuti tiite zvinhu zvekuti munyika muve nemutemo. Mapurisa akasunga Robert Jr. vamwe vacho vanoputa mbanje kudzimba dzavo. Vakasunga Robert Jr. vamwe vacho vanoputa mbanje. As I speak now, a big proportion of police officers, they smoke weed. If they want to prove me wrong, it's very simple. Let them go for a weed testing in their blood and see that they've never smoked weed. It's possible. There are machines that can test that this one smokes weed. Such machines are there. Yes. It may be actually surprising that the president smokes weed as well, especially with those unpopular jokes of his. It causes us to wonder if he also takes a little bit of weed or he doesn't.
mazvidzerawo vana hadzi chikurohwa chamba kustate house chikurohwa chamba irayo vana zviriko here zvekutaurwa izvavo vana.
But we have to condemn it. They don't have to victimize a widow. Grace Mugabe is now a national widow. Let her rest with her children. If they commit serious crimes, like the one committed by the younger one, yes, we don't condone the abuse of power where you harass and beat up employees in the name of being a president's son. But this one of Robert Jr., this was not something worth national attention. It's embarrassing.
That's petty.
It embarrasses the office of the president.
Yes.
What I don't know is if President Mnangagwa's children know that what their father has done to the former first family, they have set a standard. Whoever takes over from President Mnangagwa is likely going to feel the desire to humiliate the children of the former president, just like that.
Yes.
And so when the children of a former president are humiliated and the family of the former president is humiliated like that, it doesn't embarrass the Mugabe family. It embarrasses the nation.
Yes.
It is a statement that when you are a president in Zimbabwe, you are not anything important. You are just like a commoner. So you are reducing the office to something unimportant.
Yes.
Yeah.
When we were growing up, the office of the president was something venerated.
Yes.
So by not respecting the Mugabe family, Mr. Mnangagwa is disrespecting the very office he is holding.
Yes.
That's why I asked if there are educated people and wise people among them. You understand?
Yes.
If I start humiliating Pastor Baloy's family right now, I'm humiliating Jesus Revelation Ministries.
Yes, absolutely.
Yes. Yes.
All right.
Okay guys, semaonero angu ka nyaya iyi yaifanirwa musaga sechikiti handiti munongovharira chikiti chenyu moisa matombo mohamba nochikanda pasi pemvura handiti because ukadatarisa inene when this issue came to surface I thought kuti it was amount yema-kgs chaiyo but ndakazonzwa kuti yanga itongoriwo yekungoputa imwe and I was like what really. So why did they go on to publish the whole issue and, you know, it quite bigger of an issue? Because that issue, it was pretty embarrassing, especially for the mom. I could feel for the mother. Just imagine, uchirikadzi, and vana vako varungoranamo kunyika yese. Adai is quite an embarrassment to the mother. And zvinonyadzisa. So yeah, the government should try as much to protect the legacy RG Mugabe by doing some other things zvazvitaurwa naApostle Chiwenga izvi kuti maarrest achona yaya they should be private and stuff, nyaya dzachona dzohandlwa in closed courts to avoid embarrassment. Handiti mazvona because ariko ma-type of cases akadaro ekuti haatombo exposed to the public. We are not saying law should not take its course, but we are saying the application in which law is taking its course is pretty embarrassing to the legacy of our former president and also to us as a national, as a nation. So guys, this been quite an interesting video. I don't know what you think about the video. You can tell me what you think in the comment section. Kuti munotiwo zvakanaka here zvakaitwa mukomana kana kuti munoti they should have done what Apostle is proposing right here. This marks the end of the video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment. I will see you on the next one. Peace.